Hello and welcome to today's episode, presented for Digitales TV.
Yeah.
We're diving deep today
Okay.
into a story that kind of reminds us that,
Yeah.
even those everyday things like
Right.
taking a flight can take unexpected turns.
Oh, absolutely.
We're looking at American Airlines Flight 1478,
Okay.
which was originally scheduled to fly
Mm-hmm.
from Charlotte, North Carolina to Houston, Texas.
All right. Simple trip across the country.
Yeah, should have been,
Yeah.
but instead it had to make an unplanned landing
Interesting.
in Jackson, Mississippi.
Oh, wow. Okay. So,
Yeah, so let's get into it.
yeah, what happened?
So just picture this, right?
Yeah.
You've settled into your flight,
Yeah.
maybe started a movie,
Right. Got your snacks.
and then out of the blue you hear that
Oh.
we'll be making an unscheduled landing.
You know, every time I hear those words, unscheduled landing, I think,
Oh, yeah.
what's going on?
My ears definitely perk up,
Yeah. What's the issue, Rick?
especially when you're like 30,000 feet in the air.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You don't want any surprises up there.
You don't want to hear maintenance issue,
No, absolutely not.
and that's exactly what happened.
Okay, so what happened? What was the issue?
So that's the thing, right?
Yeah.
The sources we have don't really dive into the specifics of it,
Oh, interesting. Okay.
but whatever it was definitely serious enough
Mm-hmm.
for the pilot to make the call to divert the flight to Jackson.
Yeah. I mean, that's not a decision a pilot makes lightly.
No, not at all.
You know, there has to be a pretty compelling reason to change course like that.
And it all happened pretty fast, too.
Really?
The emergency landing took place at 1:47 p.m.
Okay.
on Thursday afternoon.
Wow. So right in the middle of the day.
Yeah, and I think what's really fascinating here is
Yeah.
that pilots' decision-making process,
Right.
they have to assess the entire situation, weigh the risks,
Mm-hmm.
and ultimately choose the safest course of action for everyone.
Exactly. And in this case, diverting to Jackson was the priority, even
Right.
though it meant disrupting everyone's plans.
Right. And can you imagine being one of those passengers?
Oh, gosh. Yeah, I'd be a little on edge.
Right? You hear that announcement about the diversion.
Mm-hmm.
The tension in the air must have been palpable.
Right.
I read a quote from one of the passengers, Michael Jones,
Okay.
and he said, "I'm glad they did stop it, because who knows, there could have been another crash. So I'm glad that they're okay."
Wow. Yeah, that really gives you a sense of the relief
Oh, yeah.
everyone felt when they landed safely.
It really highlights the human element.
It does.
In these situations, we often get caught up in the technical side of aviation,
Yeah.
but we can't forget about the people on board.
Right, the anxiety,
Yeah.
the uncertainty.
And then there's this detail I found really interesting.
Okay.
So after the plane landed safely
Yeah.
and taxied to the gate,
Mm-hmm.
the passengers were told they'd be boarding a new plane
Oh, yeah.
to continue their journey to Houston.
Okay.
And guess what?
What?
They started applauding.
Oh, wow.
It's kind of heartwarming in a way, right?
Yeah, it is. It's like this collective sigh of relief
Yeah.
and a sense of gratitude towards the crew for handling it all so smoothly.
Yeah.
You know, getting them on the ground safely.
That's
That's the most important thing.
And of course, the grounded plane
Yeah.
was immediately taken out of service
Of course.
by the American Airlines maintenance team.
Yeah, they got to figure out what happened.
Right. And it makes you wonder what they'll find during the inspection.
I'm sure they'll do a thorough investigation
Oh, yeah.
to pinpoint exactly what that maintenance issue was.
Right.
I mean, they have to ensure the safety of the aircraft, but also learn from the incident
Right.
so they can prevent this from happening again.
And American Airlines has acknowledged the incident.
Oh, okay.
They released a statement saying, essentially,
Yeah.
we had to land the plane due to a possible maintenance issue, but everything landed safely, and we apologize for the inconvenience.
Pretty standard response in these situations.
Yeah.
But, you know, it's important for them to address it.
Yep.
Be transparent
Absolutely.
and reassure passengers about air commitment to safety.
And ultimately, that's what really matters, right?
It gets.
Everyone on that flight is safe and sound,
Yeah.
and they'll eventually reach their destination.
Yep. Just a little detour.
Exactly.
Mhm.
Yeah, it may not have been the journey they expected,
Right.
but it definitely serves as a reminder
Absolutely.
that sometimes those unexpected detours
Mm-hmm.
can lead to a deeper appreciation for the things we often take for granted.
Well said. You know, a few hours delay
Yeah,
is nothing compared to the well-being of everyone on board.
exactly.
It's a testament to the skill of the flight crew,
Yeah,
the resilience of the passengers,
Right.
and the safety procedures in place.
that we often don't even think about
Right.
that help manage these situations.
Exactly.
That's a great point to end on. Don't forget to subscribe Digitales TV for more updates, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks for listening.